This anti-aging supplement might actually work. Introduction: aging is an inevitable part of life, but the quest to slow down its visible and internal effects has been ongoing for centuries. From skincare regimens to advanced medical treatments, people have tried various methods to maintain youthfulness. Recently, the spotlight has turned towards anti-aging supplements, with some claiming groundbreaking results. This article delves deep into the world of anti-aging supplements, focusing on one particular supplement that might actually deliver on its promises. The science behind aging. Understanding how and why we age is crucial to evaluating any anti-aging supplement's efficacy. Aging is a complex biological process influenced by genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. Cellular damage from free radicals, reduced cellular regeneration, and hormonal changes are some of the primary contributors to the aging process. Key factors influencing aging. 1. Oxidative stress. The imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body leads to cellular damage. 2. Telomere shortening. Telomeres protect our chromosomes, and their shortening is linked to aging and age-related diseases. 3. Mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondria are the energy powerhouses of cells, and their decline affects overall cell function. 4. Inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates aging and increases susceptibility to various diseases. 5. Glycation. The bonding of sugar molecules to proteins and lipids can impair their function, contributing to aging. The rise of anti-aging supplements. Anti-aging supplements have surged in popularity, promising to combat the biological factors of aging. These supplements often contain a blend of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and other bioactive compounds designed to protect and rejuvenate cells. Common ingredients in anti-aging supplements. 1. Resveratrol. Found in red wine, resveratrol is believed to activate certain genes associated with longevity. 2. Nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, a precursor to NAD+, a molecule essential for cellular energy and repair. 3. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, an antioxidant that supports mitochondrial function. 4. Collagen peptides, improve skin elasticity and hydration. 5. Vitamin C and E, powerful antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation and support heart health. 7. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. The supplement that might actually work among the myriad of anti-aging supplements, insert supplement name, has garnered significant attention due to promising scientific research and anecdotal evidence. What is insert supplement name? Insert supplement name is a unique formulation that combines list of key ingredients, designed to target multiple aging pathways. Scientific evidence supporting insert supplement name. 1. Clinical trials. Recent studies have shown that insert supplement name can specific benefits, with participants experiencing measurable results. 2. Mechanism of action. The supplement works by explain how the supplement interacts with biological processes. 3. Expert opinions. Leading researchers in the field of aging have endorsed insert supplement name, citing its comprehensive approach to anti-aging. Real-world results. 1. User testimonials. Many users report positive outcomes, including improved skin texture, increased energy levels, and better cognitive function. 2. Case studies. Detailed case studies highlight the transformative effects of insert supplement name over periods ranging from 3 to 12 months. How to incorporate insert supplement name into your routine for optimal results. It's important to integrate insert supplement name into a broader healthy lifestyle. Dosage and administration. 1. Recommended dosage. Specify the daily dosage and any important instructions. 2. Best time to take. Morning, evening, without food. Complementary lifestyle changes. 1. Healthy diet. Emphasize nutrient-dense foods rich in antioxidants. 2. Regular exercise. Incorporate both aerobic and strength training exercises. 3. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 4. Stress management. Practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises. Potential side effects and considerations. While insert supplement name shows promise, it's important to consider potential side effects and consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Possible side effects. 1. Mild digestive issues, such as bloating or nausea. 2. Allergic reactions. Rare, but possible in sensitive individuals. 3. Interactions with medications. Important to discuss with a healthcare professional. Conclusion: the quest for the fountain of youth continues, but insert supplement name might be a step closer to achieving that goal. With a solid foundation of scientific research and positive real-world results, this supplement offers a promising option for those looking to combat the effects of aging. However, it's essential to approach any supplement with a critical eye and integrate it into a holistic health strategy. References. 1. List of scientific studies, articles, and expert opinions. Additional resources for further reading, please subscribe.